How to fix Snapchat not showing friends. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Snapchat not showing friends. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first simple step here is open up your Snapchat. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. After that, the simple fix here is you'll need to clear your cache for your Snapchat. For that, tap on your Bitmoji on the top left corner. After you tap on it, you can then head over to your settings icon on the top right. Now what you'll need to do is you can scroll down, and after you scroll down for a bit, you'll find an option called Clear Data under Privacy Controls. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, there you'll find an option called Clear Cache on the bottom. Tap on Clear Cache and then tap on Clear. After you clear your cache, your Snapchat's cache will get cleared, and you can then restart your Snapchat. And after that, check if your friends are being shown or not. After you do that, you can then head over to your Apple Store. And after you're here, if your problem is not fixed, all you need to do is search for Snapchat. Now, after you search for Snapchat, check if there is an update available. Now, sometimes Snapchat might have some bug or issues in your device. So with the update, there are more, bug fixes and patches. So you can tap on update button, and after that, your problem will get fixed with the update. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching.